So guys, today I want to show you guys how you can trade gold effectively. This strategy I'm going to show you guys is so effective. It's strategy that works 90% of the time. It works 90% of the time. So you have to frame whatever you are to do. You frame it to the bigger time frame, down to immediate time frame, which is 30 minutes or M15, down to the smaller time frame like M5 or 3 minutes for your entry. Note your RR is your savior and your patience. You being patient in this market is the machine that drives your capital. So you have to be patient. Anytime you don't see a setup, you fold your hands, you leave the chart. If you see a setup, you take the trade. If it is a loss, so be it. So I'm going to show you guys this strategy step by step. I'm going to break everything down as ABC. So let us go to the chart. Let me show you how you can implement this strategy. This is based on liquidity graph. You know, in this market, it's liquidity that engineer it. So let's get to the chart. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on notification bell for more tutorial videos to come. Let's get there. So for us to trade this strategy effectively, you should know your market structure. So first, let us mark our market structure. So we've seen this market coming down this way. The market was coming down this way, create structure, break to the downside, and break to the upside, and retrace back, and then we see this to the upside itself. So this tells us that this market is bullish, because we can see this market breaking structure to the upside. So what you should do first before any other thing is for you to know the trend of the market. You should know the phase of the market you are in before you should consider this strategy. So when it comes to trading, the rule to follow the rule is what makes you a great trader. So right here, I've marked out my zones in this market, and this market is bullish at this point. So for me to know that this market is bullish on my H4, I have to move down to my I'm to move down to my 30 minutes. Okay, I'm to move down to my 30 minutes, from 30 minutes to my M15, from my M15 to my 3 minutes for an entry. So now we've seen that this market is breaking structure here. We've seen a structure break right here to the upside. So the market is bullish. Let us go to 30 minutes if we are going to see an entry. So once we get to our 30 minutes chart, I'm going to show you another thing we are to do on this chart. So right now, the trend of this market is bullish from this very zone, from this point. From this point right here, the trend is bullish. The trend is bullish. So now it is for me to plug in my sessions indicator. So you go to your indicator, you click on indicator. Once you click on indicator, this surface will appear. You type sessions. You type sessions. Once you type sessions, different sessions will pop up. You choose the one by Lux Algo. So you click on it. Once you click on it, it will be on your chart. The sessions indicator is already on my chart. That's why I'm not clicking on it. So once you click on it, it will be on your chart. Then you go back to your chart. So right now I'm to enable my sessions indicator. So for you to enable this sessions indicator, you have to go to setting. On the setting, if you are in Nigeria, note we are using London, from London to New York. So once it comes to New York, you don't really need it, but that London in sessions is very important. So right now, once you click on London, you choose here, you do setting, you type in, you see this place that is like keyboard. Once you click on it, it will shows you where to type in. So you type in your time, which is the hour, 7, you put 7 o'clock, the minute, you pin 00. This is where the bank has started working in most countries. 7 o'clock, most people should be on office, and 8 o'clock, the bank has resumed. So you set it up. This is how it is in Nigeria. In your own country, you set the time where bank resume at your at your at your country, then 1 hour ahead of when they want to close. That is if you are to trade only the London section, but if you are to trade both with New York, that doesn't matter anyway. Then you click OK. Then 11 o'clock, you set 11, you click on the box again, you set 11 o'clock, then you click on OK. Then you this box which I ticked, you ticked on the box so that the London and the range will appear on your chart. Then you click on OK. So these are the range of this market. So you've seen a break of structure at this point. So this is telling you that this market is bullish. So you can now mark at this place. You marked this place because this box here is your London section. So you are looking at this box to break structure to the upside during this London section for you to take your trade. So I'll place my line like this, which is the last bearish candle before the market breaks structure to the upside is this one here. I'll mark it out. Then I'll wait for the market to come inside that zone. Let's check. Okay, as we can see, the market finally came into this zone. You see, this is the line that I drew. Upon this market coming inside this zone, it is for us now to move to our 5 minutes or 3 minutes. Let's move to 5 minutes and look for entry. The reason why I'm using 5 minutes is because I'm not using TradingView paid version. So I'm trying to make sure that the data, we are able to have the data that we want. So let us move to our 5 minutes, and also from our 5 minutes we have to turn our chart to high Kanachi candle. This is me using gold chart to trade this strategy. So let's move to 5 minutes. Then turn your chart to high Kanachi candle. Normally, you're supposed to use 3 minutes to trade this strategy, but let's use 5. So we are using this because I'm not using the paid version of TradingView. So once this chart is being enabled, once the market come into this zone, you see the line, the market comes into it, you close below this line. That is not the problem. The only thing here is for you to look for opposite candle. You look for opposite candle. Once that happen, you place your trade. You place your trade this way at the opposite candle. Your stop loss has to come below the low of that candle, and you can target 1 to 10 or 1 is to 15. If you are using 3 minutes to take this trade, you should target 1 is to 25 to 1 is to 1 is to 30. So this is 1 is to 10. We already gotten our 1 is to 10 right there. So even though you go 1 is to 15, you can still make something out from it. So let us go back again to our 30 minutes and look for entry. You note our H4 is bullish, so we go back to 30 minutes and look for our entry criteria as we said. So right now it for us to turn our chart to normal candle. Note when you want to take your entry is when you turn your chart to a high Kanachi candle. So now we have turned our chart once again to our normal candle, and we've seen that this market was able to break structure again to the upside. You see, the market was able to break structure to the upside. So here was the last week. Here, right here, here was the last week before the London section started, and here was the last low before the London session starts. Here was the last low, but the only thing we are concentrating on is the structure to got broken to the upside, because the only trend of the market from the H4 is bullish. So we are only expecting a bullish part of this strategy. So we are expecting a bullish move in this market. So we've seen that this market was able to break structure right here to the upside. The market was able to break structure right here to the upside. Then upon this market breaking structure to the upside, we marked this out because here was the last OB before this market break structure to the upside. Here was the last OB, and also this happened during your London section. This is your London section box. This happened during your London section. So now it is for you to turn this chart to high Kanachi candle on your 5 minutes. We turn our chart to 5 minutes, and we also turn it to high Kanachi candle. So here is the area which we marked. Here is the area we marked. You can see that this market was able to come into this line. This red line was the line that we marked. And after that point, the market closed with another candle. You've seen the candle here. After the market closed with that candle, that is where for you to enter your trade long, because this market is long. It's a bullish trend. So you place your trade that way. You target your 1 to 10. Target your 1 to 10. That is our 1 to 5. So our 1 to 10, it's right there. So you can secure your first profit at 1 to 5 and then allow the other one to run 1 to 10. So you were able to get your 1 to 10 at this point. You get, that was your 1 to 10. So let's go back again to our 30 minutes and look for a break of structure for us to take trade again. So it's for us to turn our chart to a normal candle. Feel free to subscribe. Feel free to subscribe. So we've seen, here is our London section box, and this was the high before the London open. That was the high, and we see that this market was able to close above the high, then leaving us with this zone here. Here was the zone that closed above this high, leaving us with this zone. We see this candle here is this is imbalance, which nothing close inside, but since here is the zone, we can as well mark here to be our zone, because here is the zone that break the market structure to the upside. So we place our trade this way, but you should be mindful because of this imbalance, this huge imbalance beneath it. You should be checking on it. So if you take your trade here, if it doesn't goes well, you can also take inside this imbalance. If that doesn't goes well, you are okay and you can close for the day. So let us move to our 5 minutes together. So let's turn our chart to high Kanachi candle. So as you can see, The market come into the first line that we draw, and it gave us this candle, opposite candle, which if we take that trade, that would be a loss. But the market still came inside the imbalance and give us opposite candle. If we take that one, that will give us the RR we are looking for. So we place our trade at the close of that candle. Our stop loss come beneath the wick of the bearish candle. So we target 1 to 5, 1 to 10. 1 to 5 is right there. You can just put your stop loss on break even and you target your 1 to 10, and your 1 to 10 was right there. So you've taken 3 trades in a row and you lose one. Is that strategy not sweet for you? This is you trading gold charts. It's not anything. This is just you trading gold charts, just using this simple strategy. There is no one that will show you like this and open up to you like this without charging you a penny. So if you have watched up till this point, do try to subscribe to this channel, turn on notification bell for more tutorial videos like this to come, so we can still look into our 30 minutes chart and look for an entry again. So let us go to our 30 minutes. Note our H4 is bullish, so anything we are doing on our 30 minutes is still, we are still going to take a bullish trade. So let us turn our chart to our normal candle and see, look if we've gotten any other opportunity again. So this is the place that we just got our 1 to 10. So here was London section open. This was our London section open. And once this London section open, it broke structure again to the upside. As this market broke structure to the upside, it left us with this one here. It left us with this candle here. That was a candle that this market left us on. So let's go to our 5 minutes. That is our 5 minutes. Then turn it back to your high Kanachi candle. We turn our candle back to our high Kanachi candle. So let us go and look for entry. So here, this is the zone that we marked. We've seen that this market was able to come inside. The market came inside this zone right here and gave us opposite candle. It gave us opposite candle. Then if you enter this trade, this will be a losing trade for us. And this was the wick. This was the wick. No market, it hasn't closed below the wick yet. Let's see. This was the wick that tapped in. So the market closed below the wick, which is this one. The market closed below this wick here and then produced us another opposite candle, which is, if you enter this trade with this opposite candle right here, you place your trade right here, your stop loss will come beneath. You target your 1 to 5, 1 to 10. 1 to 5 will be your first tip, will be your first TP. You move your stop loss to break even. You target your 1 to 10, and your 1 to 10 was there. So you lose 2 trades and you win 4 using this strategy. So let us go to our 30 minutes again and check if we've gotten any other entry. I think this will be our final example. So turn your chart to a candle. We just turn our chart right now to a normal candle. Let us see if we've gotten any entry so far. So here is where the London section starts from, and here was a zone. Here was the last high before this zone starts. So we mark the high out. So this is the high right there. And we've seen that this market was able to break structure to the upside. We mark it out. Here was the last candle before that happened. We mark it out. Upon us marking this out, let us go to our 5 minutes. Let's go to 5 minutes. So you turn your chart to high Kanachi candle. That is high Kanachi candle. We turn our chart to high Kanachi candle. So let us now go to our 5 minutes and check if we've gotten any entry. If we got any entry, we are targeting our 1 to 5. Our 1 to 5, 1 to 10. So we see that this market came inside this zone. The market came inside with this wick and it gave us opposite candle. If we enter this trade, it give us opposite candle right there. Okay, we place our trade right there. Upon the closure of that candle, place our trade. Our stop loss come below the wick and we target our 1 to 5, 1 to 10. 1 to 5, 1 to 10. So that our 1 to 5, you move it to break even and you target your 1 to 10. So the market took you out at your 1:5 RR. So that is to say you win 4 trades, you lose 2 trades and 1 break even. So the strategy, it's also powerful. So subscribe to this channel, turn on notification bell and comment, share. If you have any questions you ask, feel free to ask. I remain Aqua FX Asai, sign out.